What's up, everybody? It's been quite a while, but welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. If not, thank you for your continued support. Today I'm going to introduce to you my new daily driver. It's been a few months since I purchased this back in May. I got it in June, but a 2022 Cadillac CT4 Blackwing. It's a 6-speed manual. It's a 3.6 liter twin turbo V6. Just shy of 500 horsepower, 475 horsepower. Pretty sweet car, fully loaded, massaging seats, heat and air cooled, and of course 3 pedals on the floor. So before I get started, we're gonna really just, this thing's great. Purchased the car, it had these painted stock rims on there. They weren't so nice painted, so I turned them into a track set, and we have fresh track rubber on here. And found these rims on the CT4 Blackwing forum. They were pretty much brand new, like 15,000 miles on them. So I bought them and put all-season tires. So we have an all-season set, we have a track season set. So now I'm gonna go ahead and swap the rims, because in this video we're gonna take this car for the first time on the track, and I'm excited to bring you along with me for the ride. This is a real intro to the car, because I bought this car to take it to the track. So obviously we have it as a daily. I replaced it with my 2017 Jaguar, which has been on the channel over the last couple of years, but now it is gone. Traded it in for this guy, and I'm excited to bring you guys along with me on this journey. All right, so we are ready to go. Got all the 4 rims swapped over to our track set, and PSI right now is set for driving on the road. We'll lower that when we get to the track. So we got fresh brake pads front and rear, fresh brake fluid all around. Coolant, I'm gonna top off real quick. Oil levels are good. This thing's ready to rock. Love this thing. Let's, wanna hear it? Here it go, here, I'll turn it on for you guys. Put it in track mode. This thing's fun, guys. A lot of freaking fun. I'm excited to take this thing on the track. Rims are torqued down, 140 foot-pounds of torque, which is factory spec. Should be good. Ready to rock. Got my massaging seats for the long drive, and then we'll be good. Here, see the PSI comes up on the track mode. Got all the information we need. 133. Alright boys, couple days later here, we're gonna get some time to clean the car up. Just to show you a little walk around how dirty things something's got. We're gonna take some super clean and clean up the rims and the calipers and get all the rubber stains off the car. Got quite a few. That means we were doing our job out there on track, as you guys saw in this video. Here's some tires. The tires look good. So we're gonna clean it up. Car doesn't look dirty from afar, but it's pretty filthy. So I guess what I can do here is do that and show you. You can see the square. Alright guys, so special thanks to Super Clean. They sent out this cleaner here. I'll show you guys the before and after of these brake calipers and wheels. So this is the before, and we're just going to spray it down with the Super Clean cleaner. Let it all soak, and then show you what we look like here. Just the rears, super dirty from the track, but will be super clean when we're done. No pun, no pun. And here's the rims, here's the inside, and let me get to it and I'll show you the after. Alright, here's the after shot. You can see everything is pretty clean. A couple spots I missed there with my brush, but that's alright. Did the inside, all the dirt. The rears, much better. And then here are these rims. These were painted in a bad way, so the factory black is in the rear, where it's kind of silver in the front. So it's not going to be perfect. That's why they are my track set now. But nice and clean for what it's worth. Get the black tires back on, and I'll show you the black rims. Alright boys and ladies, mostly gentlemen, final walk around. This CT4 Blackwing is cleaned. Love all these vet motor engine emblems Cadillac puts on there. Anyways, got all the rubber marks off. Spotless on the rims and the calipers thanks to Super Clean. This thing's looking glossy again. Fresh. Love that wang. Glimpse of the rear calipers there, nice and fresh. Spotless, guys. So thanks for tuning in. It's been a little while since I posted. I appreciate you guys taking a tour of the brand new Cadillac CT4 Blackwing. It's the first time I'm putting a video out there of the car, and I figured it was a great one because I purchased the car not only just to daily drive and replace the Jaguar, but also to track it, which is what we just accomplished in this video. So you guys broke a record time for myself, best lap 133.14 I think it was, if I recall off my hand, which is the fastest. I probably could get it down closer to 130 if I can get a clean lap in there. So pretty excited about that. This thing is quite the racing machine. To put it in perspective, GT4 RSs that we're racing 129s, and then I think as they warmed up they got down to like 125, 126, most of them. So that's like 5 seconds off. Obviously we got different price range, different gap of car. This obviously is a sedan, not a race car full build, but just pretty cool that I'm within seconds of GT4 RSs on the track. I'm pretty excited about that, and of course I'm sure as I get back to it we'll make that time faster. So pretty excited about that. Special thanks to Super Clean for throwing the products our way to show you guys their product abilities once again, and Track Experience for hosting the track event, and NJMP for having a great facility to run our cars. Have a great one, guys.